Hello, my dear friends. It's me, Mango. Today, I'm here to tell you all about my favorite time of the year, mango season. So, sit back, relax, and let me share the sweet, juicy story of a beloved summer with you. As the days grow longer and the sun shines brighter, the air begins to buzz with an indescribable joy. It's the time when the earth awakens from its slumber, and on the bare branches, tiny white mango blossoms begin to bloom. A pure, delicate fragrance spreads in the wind, like a promise of the sweet fruit to come. The bees can't ignore it either. They buzz from flower to flower, playing their part in nature's grand symphony. Under the warm sun, the small flowers gradually transform into young, green fruits. At first, we are shy, modestly hiding among the green leaves. But, as the days pass, caressed by the gentle sun's rays, we grow bolder and plumper. Our green skin slowly gives way to hues of yellow, orange, and sometimes a gentle blush of red. It's a magical transformation, a process that fills us with pride and anticipation. Everyone waits for our arrival. Just the thought of biting into a sweet, juicy piece of mango seems to make everyone's mouth water. You see, we have a special charm that makes us the most beloved fruit of the summer. Our sweetness is unparalleled, a perfect blend of sugar and sunshine. Our flesh is tender and juicy. Every bite is an explosion of flavor in your mouth. Whether eaten fresh, blended into a smoothie, or turned into luscious desserts, we never disappoint. In Vietnamese homes, I am reminded of summer afternoons in the countryside. After lunch, my grandmother or mother would bring out a basket of fragrant, golden sand mangoes. The whole family would gather on the porch, listening to the buzzing of cicadas. Mom would skillfully use a peeler to slice the mango skin into beautiful spirals, then cut the flesh into bite-sized pieces. We children would wait eagerly, each of us getting a golden, succulent piece that was utterly sweet. After finishing, we'd all be a little sad it was over, begging to get the mango seed just to gnaw on the last bits of flesh to our heart's content. We are more than just a fruit. We are a symbol of happiness, of togetherness, and of carefree summer days. Our journey from the tree to the table is a testament to the hard work and dedication of countless people. The farmers tend to us with all their hearts, ensuring we receive just the right amount of water and sunlight. Their calloused hands hold secrets passed down through generations to coax out the very best flavors from us. When harvesting, they handle each fruit with care, knowing the joy it will bring to those who savor it. Once we leave the orchard, our adventure continues. We travel to vibrant markets, where our bright colors catch the eyes of eager shoppers. The air is filled with laughter and the sound of haggling as people select the perfect mangoes to take home. We have a way of brightening up any room. Our presence is a promise of sweetness and indulgence. But the story doesn't end there. We also inspire creativity in the kitchen. Talented chefs and skilled home cooks experiment with our flavors. A plate of sweet, sour, and savory green mango salad with shrimp and pork for a family meal. A cool mango smoothie to beat the afternoon heat. A homemade mango popsicle for the kids. Or chewy dried mango slices and golden jars of mango jam, made to give to loved ones, so the taste of summer can be enjoyed long after it has passed. So, my dear friends, as you bite into a juicy mango this summer, remember the journey we've taken to reach you. Feel the warmth of the sun in every fiber, the love of the farmers in every flavor, and the joy of a whole season in every sweet drop. Because mangoes are more than just a fruit. We are a celebration of life, a gift from nature, and a reminder that the sweetest things in life are often the simplest.